Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to integrate HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in Django. Firstly, create a Django project and app. Then add your app to the installed apps in settings.py. Now, set in app static files. Define your static files location in settings.py and create static folder like mkdir static. To create templates and static files, do this folder structure. And for HTML file or index.html, do this command. Now open views.py in your app folder, then add the path in urls.py. Run the server, then visit 127.0.0.1 2.8000/ in your browser and you should see your styled HTML page with a working button. Use the %load static % in your template to include CSS and JS files. Always check that the paths are correct, especially when using static files. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.